another year. And in just a few days, we're all going to be saying those all important words to each other. Happy New Year. So let me ask you, when you say those words, what is it that you really mean? What do you really mean? Is it a hope? Is it a prayer? Is it a wish? Is it a promise? What is it exactly that you mean when you say Happy New Year? The truth is, when most of us say Happy New Year, what we really mean is, I hope you have a Happy New Year. I would want you to have a Happy New Year. I wish for you to have a Happy New Year. But you and I know if wishes were horses, beggars would ride, right? I think it takes more than a hope, more than a wish, more than a prayer even, to have a Happy New Year. I don't know what your desires were, what your aspirations were, what your goals were in January 2018. And I don't know if right now you're celebrating because of your achievements, or maybe you have some regrets, I don't know. But what I know is, if you do exactly what you did in 2018, come 2019, in December 2019, you probably will be where you are right now, getting the same sort of results, similar results to what you had in 2018. Why? Because nothing just happens. If you keep doing the same thing, you will keep getting the same results. So if we're all going to have a better 2019, and believe me, there is a better 2019 waiting for you, no matter what you achieved in 2018, there is a better 2019 waiting for you. There's always more. There's always more. We live in a world of abundance. There's always more to do, to be, and to have. But if we're going to have a better 2019, we're going to have to be deliberate, I think, in how we live in 2019. You see, what I've come to find in life is a lot of people are very eager to change their circumstances, to change things around them, to change people around them. And we say things like, oh, if only this would happen, then I would be this. If only my spouse would change and love me more, then I would be happier. If only my kids would be more respectful, then I would have peace of mind. If only my boss would be more understanding. The truth is, circumstances will always come and go. All those things you're wishing would change in your life, they could change tomorrow. But you know what? They'll just be replaced by other sets of circumstances. So if you're waiting for your circumstances and the people around you to change so that you can have peace of mind, so that you can be happy, so that you can be fulfilled, I think you've got it wrong. I really do. I really do. The one thing that you can change, can I tell you a little secret? Come a little bit closer. The one thing that you can change that will lead to lasting change in your life is the one thing that most people don't want to change. And I bet you can guess what that is already. Absolutely. You. The one thing you can change, because think about it, we can't really change people. The one thing you can change that will bring lasting change to your life is you. Because when you change, everything changes around you. Believe me, I have personally experienced it in my life. When you change, everything changes. When you get better, everything gets better. When you grow, everything around you increases. It's just the way it is. So I want to encourage you, whatever goals you set for yourself for 2019, and I know we're going to set goals, we're going to make New Year resolutions, and 3 months down the line, those New Year resolutions would have been broken. But whatever goals you set for yourself for 2019, make growth number one goal for yourself. Seriously, make your personal growth the number one goal for yourself. Because like I said, when you change, everything will change. When you grow, everything will grow around you. Everything will increase. And when everything around you will get better. And the thing about personal growth is it doesn't just happen. Like anything good, it doesn't just happen. Nothing good just happens. The only things that just happen naturally are decay and deterioration and rot. Those things we don't want. Those are the things that just happen naturally. So if you're going to grow, you have to be intentional about your growth. You have to be deliberate about your growth. But for most people, your education stops after you get that thing called degree. And somebody said this the other day, I never saw it like that. She said, do you know why it's called a degree? Because you only get a degree of whatever subject you study in. It means you don't know it all. So why do we come out of university and our learning stops? Anyway, that's something for another day. But you have to be deliberate about your personal growth. You're not just going to grow because you're doing stuff and you're achieving things. You're not just going to grow because you have a business and you're making sales. All those things we do, yes, we learn from those things we do and we grow to some degree, but it's not going to be real growth. It's not going to be real lasting, effective growth. For you to have effective growth, you have to be deliberate about it. So I really, really just want to encourage you to make growth, your personal growth, a lifetime goal. A lifetime goal. Because when you grow, believe me, everything around you will change. Just in the same way you are deliberate about your physical growth, be deliberate about your personal growth. You don't just wake up and expect to grow and to grow right. You know, you put some thought into your daily routine. You know, you think about your diet. You want to get in all the relevant nutrients in your diet. You want to think about exercising. So you're deliberate about your physical growth. In the same way, be deliberate about your personal growth. Don't just rely on haphazard things like a conference here, a training there, a course there, a YouTube video there. All those things will help, but it's not constructive, it's not deliberate, it's not effective. It's not as effective as if you would be deliberate in your growth. So whatever area of life you want to see improvement in right now, trust me, what you need to do is begin to deliberately grow. And you will see change in those areas. And like I said, don't just rely on those moments, that moment of training, that moment of that seminar, that moment of that conference. Moments are great, but it might get you going, but it's not what's going to keep you going. It's the discipline of sticking to your daily agenda that is going to keep you growing. One of my mentors, John C. Maxwell, puts it very succinctly when he says, the secret of your success is found in your daily agenda. I'll say that again. The secret of your success is found in your daily agenda. What do you do daily? What do you fill your minutes, your hours with? A lot of us place a lot of emphasis on the moments, those big moments. I attended that conference. Wow, the speaker was awesome. 2 days, a week down the line, you've forgotten half of what you heard in that conference. You don't even put it in practice. The secret of your success is in your daily agenda, not in those big moments. It's in what you determine and discipline yourself to do on a regular, consistent, daily basis, irrespective of whether you think you can see the results or not. So I want to encourage you, 2019, make growth your goal and schedule it in your daily agenda. Do something every single day to grow. Learn something new every single day. Discipline yourself to do it every single day, even if you think you cannot see the results, because believe me, it's achieving results. It is achieving results. I want to invite you to join my mastermind group. It's a good place to grow. Why? Because you'll be with other growth-minded people. You'll be brainstorming. You'll be holding each other accountable. On this mastermind group, we're going through the study on John C. Maxwell's bestseller, The 15 Invaluable Laws of Growth. And I cannot think of a better way to start your new year. Seriously, I cannot think of a better way. If you really want to see change, it's up to you. You just need to decide, where do I want to be December 2019? If you really want to see change, then you need to take your personal growth more seriously. It's a mastermind group I'm starting on that book, 15 Invaluable Laws of Growth. We're going to go through the 15 laws of growth. One of it is the law of intentionality, the fact that you have to be intentional about your personal growth, and it doesn't just happen. So I want to encourage me to join. I want to encourage you to join me on that mastermind group. You can click on the link to find out more and get all the details, and do register. The groups start in January. I'm starting 2 groups, one on a Saturday morning and one on a Tuesday evening. So you get to decide which is best for you. And when you go on our website, you just click on the link, go on our website. It'll give you all the information you need, all the details you need. If none of those dates suit you, it'll also give you the opportunity to work something out that will be suitable for you. But I really, really want to encourage you to get on this mastermind group, because your life will not be the same. It really won't. I know we say that all the time, but listen, it's not just a one-off event. That's the difference. It's not a one-off event. It's a daily process that you get involved in, and you will see the progress that you make at the end of the period. So until I see you on the next video, this has been Mary from Canto Academy. If I've shared anything today that's been of benefit to you, give the video a thumbs up and do share it as well so others can benefit from it. Until I see you on the next video, I want to remind you, if you say you can, you're right. And if you say you can't, you're right. It's entirely up to you. Take care and see you next time.